Hello and welcome to the video. In this video, I will show you how to install the Disney app on your LG Smart TV. Please bear in mind you will also have to sign up for a Disney account. The address will be displayed on the screen. For this task, I shall be using the arrow keys and the enter key, but the first button I will press is the home button. This brings up a list of already installed applications, and we need to go to the Content Store. So I will scroll along to the LG Content Store. I will press enter. When the LG Content Store appears, scroll up to the top of the screen, then scroll along to the right to apps. Press enter. And here you will see a list of applications you can install. If we scroll across to the right, in my case, you will see Disney Plus. Press enter. And we have the Disney Plus application, and highlighted in pink is install. Press enter. This starts the installation. After a few moments, the application is installed. We can now press launch.